Okay, I'm going to try this again. Sorry, I am very backstage, so we don't always have the best reception back here. But I was just kind of letting everybody know that we have our big 24-hour cook event that we have going on here. And Lisa was already sharing some of our products with you in the 2 a.m. show. And then we just came off with Carolyn, where we broke apart our mini mitts, which is so exciting. So you now have an option to purchase all four. They come individually gift boxed, and of course, they're break apart gifts, which are fantastic. So I kind of got bumped before, which is okay, no big deal. But I think we're in a good place. So I wanted to kind of walk you through what these look like. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around. Steve, you can walk by me. And here is a choice of four. So this is what we're calling our bright. So we have, yes, our favorites, our hot pink, our teal, our lime green, and our tangerine. And can we just talk about the fact that they have all of those great silicone dots, so you have that non-slip grip. We have the floral lace and old world put together. We have that terry cloth material that so many of you love. And then take a peek at the gift boxes. So all individual, not a choice of tangerine or hot pink or teal or lime. You're getting all four of these, 8 mitts, 4 great gifts for $7.50. So those are our bright. Moving on over. Boopity boop boop boop. Here's our basics. So these are all of the colors that you've been collecting. Good morning, Amy. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Maximina. What a beautiful name. And Jean, Christopher, hello, good morning. These are the colors that coordinate back with all of those great pieces you've already been collecting, and they've been super duper popular. I am going to tell you that these are the only quantities of the year. So if this is something you wanted and you want to have 4 great gifts, again, you don't have to pick the color choice. You just pick whether you want the basic, the bright, or can we talk about the seasonal? I know it's a little dark back here, guys, so bear with me, but look at the egg hunt. Look at the box. I can't. So cute. There's, of course, those silicone dots. Hello, Jimmy. I agree. They are great gifts. Thank you. Here is, of course, our firework, and we did the little red, white, and blue motif. I love these silicone dots on the back. Then we did the shamrock, and then we did the romance. So choice of seasonal, you get all 4. Choice of basics, you get all 4. Choice of bright, you get all 4 for $7.50 a gift for the mini mitts. And I was just showing you all the different things that you can do. Oh, look what I did here. Now I'm going to turn it around again. This is not very good planning, Tara. I actually put them with one of my cookbooks, which started shipping out on October 8th, which is so exciting. So again, think about adding these great stocking stuffers and look at these awesome colors. Okay, now you're going to walk with me, because I want to show you. Over here, we have coming up and in the kitchen with David, guess what's back? Our mini loaves. So again, when we're talking about great break apart gifts, this is unbelievable. This is less than $6 a gift. So 4 different mini loaves. You don't choose. We have our holiday, we have our poinsettia, we have our whimsy, and of course we have our festive fetty. They all come individually gift boxed. They all have a snap-on storage cover. So these are great. And I love the idea. Our brilliant stylists and David put it together in one great gift. So you could marry up the mitts with one of the mini loaves, and you can have a fantastic gift. And I love these for little place card holders if you wanted to. You know, think about all the different things you can do with this. So that is just a sneak peek of all the amazing things that we have going on. And I love that all of you jumped on a Sunday. Good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. Jen, good morning. Debbie, good morning. Pam, good morning. So nice to have you guys all hop on and say hello. Trying to get out of that extreme light. But yeah, how about I walk you in and show you what's going on in the studio? And then I'm going to have to say goodbye. But here you can see Carolyn is actually working with Spurtle Mania. Mary's getting ready for Cheryl's. You can see all the set people getting everything done. Our cameramen. It's so cool. I got to tell you, that never gets old for me. Cynthia, good morning. Amanda, good morning. I hope you guys will join us. We're on around 12:30 Eastern time with the mini loaves. Then we have a big hour show at 7 p.m. with Rick Domeyer. Super excited about that. You're not going to want to miss that, I promise. And then we'll be back for the wrap-up show. I'm not sure what time we're on in the 9 p.m., but we'll be with Miss Mary, so that's always nice. Colleen, how are you? And Lydia, again, so good to see you. Adam, Tina, Monica. Like I said, I could stay on here all day and just say hello to all of you. thanks for taking a little time out of your Sunday to pop on and say hello. Can't tell you how much that means to me and to all of us. So enjoy your Sunday and happy shopping. Bye.